everybody, I am Tom from Tom's Music Shop, and today I've got quite the treat for you guys. A lot of people have been requesting that I look for one of these for the past year. Finally, I came across one. This is the Hohner Corona III accordion with the wooden keyboard, as you can see here, and in the special tuning of BeSaS. So BbEbAb. This is a popular tuning that people are looking for, but it's not that easy to find. So this is the accordion. The Hohner Corona III is very similar to the Corona II in the looks, right? It's got 31 buttons here. It's got 12 bass buttons, and the dimensions are the same. It's just slightly heavier because this does have more reeds. This has in total 5 reed blocks inside on the treble side. So why do people look in particular for this accordion? The reason is, as far as I can tell, often for Vallenato music. I was told that by one of my friends. He's Colombian, and he says that where he comes from, in Bogota and in areas around there, a lot of people play the Hohner Corona III for the Vallenato music. Now, I don't know that much about Vallenato, but I'm going to just play a little something so you can get the feel for the sound. So the bellows on this accordion, they don't look great, especially on the back side. You know, I'm not going to make any qualms about that. But nevertheless, it holds air really well. Here, I'll pull on it. And I'll push. It's really got good compression. So, that is that. The Hohner Corona III accordion in the tuning of BeSaS or BbEbAb. It comes with a standard green Hohner hard case. And that's it. Alright guys, well I hope that you liked the video, and if any of you are looking for this accordion, let me know. Just write me at tomsmusicshop@gmail.com for the best price. And also write to me, what do you plan to use this accordion for? Do you play Vallenato? Do you play different music? Maybe write into the comment section a couple of songs that you'd like to play. I'm curious. Alright guys, until next time, happy accordion playing. Bye now.